Cave exploring in Hawaii today, guys.
Yeah!
In a cave!
Atta girl!
Living my best life. This is so cool! Slightly intimidating, but really cool. I was a little too scared to jump, but Taylor's gonna jump. Oh yeah! Oh my god, that's terrifying. You did that like it was no problem. 35 feet. I didn't even think I could do like 5 feet. It's okay, it's only day one in Hawaii. I'm gonna work myself there. Maybe. So I'm with my friend Taylor, and he's currently scaling this wall. I have no idea how you did that, but killed it. Maybe I'm a wimp, but I'm gonna stay up here. So he said he's going treasure hunting because people just lose like GoPros and Apple Watches and a bunch of fun stuff when they're diving here. And I'm like, cool way to get some free stuff. So what did you find?
I got you a pretty shell.
Oh wow, look at that.
There you go.
Aw.
Your fab shades. Those are for you. Blue hair don't care.
Aw, snap. And then your real prize.
Yeah. What are these? I don't know what.
A smartwatch?
Smartwatch,
right?
yeah. There you go. There you go.
Well, that's interesting. How'd you even find this?
I was back here grabbing firewood and I found this hole. This place looking cool. And I went back and I grabbed the light and went in here by myself. I'll try to get these thorns out of the way for you. Here. Hello? Coming in.
How big is this cave?
Well, right here it's kind of tight.
Looks a little tight.
Once you're in, it's big-ish. Oh, yeah. Ooh, there's a pretty spider.
Okay, that is not what you want to say to get me to go into the cave.
Come on.
I don't know about that.
Come here.
I hate spiders.
Oh, stop. I'm clearing them all out for you. You're fine.
I don't know. This is really tight.
Lindsay.
Taylor.
I am 190 pounds.
Okay.
You're like 110. Get in here. You can't even fall to your left anymore. Come on in. I want to sit here and play 127 hours.
I'm trying.
There's definitely been people down here.
Is that a rock tower?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool, but also, put my hand on a scorpion.
No, we're past that spot.
There's just one scorpion spot?
Yeah. Don't hit that, okay? I might be holding this place up.
Oh my god.
Stay low. Stay low. Oh, that's your new fucking shades up.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Stay low. There you go. And a girl.
Oh my Lanta.
What do you think?
That's crazy.
Right?
Yeah. You know, when I saw how small this cave was, I was not, I did not think I was gonna make it in here, but killed it.
Yeah, that's what's up, man.
Now to fit back out. Living my best life.
That's it. Welcome to Hawaii. That's it, girl.
Day 1.
Day 1. Look at that. How do you feel though?
So accomplished.
Let's go rinse off in the ocean.
Okay.
Look at that. You just came out of that.
I did. I jumped in, but it wasn't cool enough to film, so I left the camera up here. It was like a baby jump. It's just so pretty. Some petroglyphs, guys, in this lava tube.
Yeah.
It's crazy that it's so hot in there. Alright guys, well today was a crazy adventure and I did a lot of things that I didn't think I was going to do today, but it's really cool to be pushed to my limits out here. But it's only day 1 in Hawaii, so we have another 2 weeks to go. I will catch y'all tomorrow.